Alright, John, here's one of your Marine 598 big box Chevrolets. Give you a description of this combination. That's set of our CNC heads, custom grind hydraulic roller, got custom Steph's Marine pan on it, got your valve covers. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 713 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 759, very good, and that 763, sorry, that's really good torque, peak horsepower 765, so runs really good, nice power curve up in there where you're going to run the boat hard. Holding out, pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, have a great day. I'll kind of show you a couple other little things here. When you see green, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. And the crate will be this spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.